Now, at least 166 MPs have reportedly signed a petition to impeach Health Cabinet Secretary Cecily Kariuki over suspension of Kenyatta National Hospital boss Lily Koros. The Constitution requires at least a third, which is 116 members out of the 349 members, to sign an impeachment motion to meet their threshold. MPs who are behind the push to oust the CS over claims of abuse of office have also demanded that National Assembly Speaker Justin Muturi disqualifies himself from the matter. Koros was kicked out after surgeons at the hospital operated on the wrong patient. The surgeons only came to realize their mistake when they found the patient did not need surgery after opening up his head. The Health Committee focused on this issue this morning and spoke to some of the individuals involved in the operation. That probe is currently still ongoing at the National Assembly. Let's cross over there live and listen in.
The handing over says that one. Did that happen?
I think, Mary, you need now to tell us the procedures. Maybe that there's an ideal on what should be happening and what actually happened that day. So I think just tell these members, when you got in, which nurse handed to you the patient. I know you didn't only have John Derito, you had other patients. Exactly. How was the handing over done? Yeah. What the Dr. Nyikali is asking, was it, were you shown or were you just told we have some patients and one is John Derito who requires, and who was this who did the handing over to you? I think that's where we are now. Yeah. That's where we are stuck. Yeah. And we go back to Mary.
Yeah. Yes. And give her, Chair, give her time.
Give her time.
Second day in night duty. So, in fact, I did not have stress, as you asked, but I was tired, but I am coming to the question. So how we normally hand over the patient, we hand over patient from one patient to another. But on that material day, we had admitted 10 patients, 2 nurses on duty, and we had other issues, answering customer care, answering patients' questions. So one person is the one who was taking the report. Me, I was answering those questions. I was also admitting neurology patient, which was to be done on Monday. So it was very hectic. After the report, there was a call which came from theater that there is a patient who is supposed to be corrected post-operative. So the nurse who had received the report went to theater to collect the patient. In fact, that day we had 61 patients against 3 nurses. So you can imagine how worker it was, how the ward it was.
We can.
Yeah, it was. So the time he was going to pick to collect this patient from theater is the time he told me.
The National Assembly, or Parliament rather, as a National Assembly Health Committee, seeks to get answers from those who are involved in that particular mishap on the head surgery that was conducted on the wrong patient at the Kenyatta National Hospital about a fortnight ago.